The other fayda mentioned Surah An-Nisa 4 and Ayah 22. وَلَا تَنْكِحُوا مَا نَكَحَ آبَاؤُكُم مِّنَ النِّسَاءِ إِلَّا مَا قَدْ سَلَفَ إِنَّهُ كَانَ فَاحِشَةً وَمَقْتًا وَسَاءَ سَبِيلًا. And you do not marry from women to whom your fathers married, except without doubt whatever is past. Surely it is an obscenity and a hateful and a way to badness. The concept here in this ayah, that do not marry your women whom your fathers married. It will be a fahisha, an obscenity, a shameful act that you can say as incest in English. Committing a sexual act between blood relation. This is incest. So do not marry whom your fathers married, women whom your fathers married. This is nikah. This is marrying. It's an obscenity or a shameful act. If suppose a person has done it consciously or unconsciously, married the mother, it says without doubt whatever is past. If you have committed that, you were not a Muslim, you were not a believer, and you were living in a certain area or a culture where a person has married the mother, so Allah is saying whatever is done is past, do not do it again. So important point here is that you don't have to divorce your mother at that time. You keep living because you may have children. So in that context you don't have to. So that is Allah said without doubt whatever is past. If you have done in the past, do not do it again, but let the system run. In the Quran, that Allah has forbid us to marry. There's another ayat where it says whom you are allowed to marry and whom you are allowed not to marry. The whole people or relations are mentioned that. So if somebody has committed wrong in the past of his life, and now he comes to know that he has done it from the ayahs of the Quran, he may not divorce the relations because maybe children and the whole family system is going on. So Allah said whatever is past, but not do it in the future. Allah will forgive you. And committing this act of marrying the mother of your father is also a fahisha. Fahisha means, I have told you, an obscenity, and all the words that I included, shameful act, and it is a way to badness. Again, it's a hateful thing and a way to badness. That means if you keep involving in this kind of act, then you are going to do all the wrongs. You will have the courage to do more wrongs, bad things in life, which Allah has forbidden you to do so. So that is why this is very important that this aspect of zina and marrying the mother and zina and fahisha adultery lecture has been delivered. It is very wrong because it opens the road to other evil bad things we can think of.